Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. And today we have a really fun interview to do on one of my happy patients who just about 3 weeks ago we did a mommy makeover. How did you hear about us and decide to fly out here?
I heard about you on YouTube, looking up mommy makeovers.
Oh, okay.
And I've been researching this for several years. I've been to other consultations, and the scars that I saw on your YouTubes were smaller. The results were bigger. The outcomes were better. The detail was just there. And I thought, I need to see more of these. So I went to your website. There was over 8,000 pictures. I'm just over 3 weeks out, and I'm feeling wonderful. And I got really good results. And another thing that is for real, as far as people goes, is he will be there if you need him. If something happens, you can call him and he will be there.